One of my favorite ways to showcase a beautiful pattern is to wrap the gift with the Kousa Tsutsumi method. Kousa means to cross in Japanese. I'm using the Kanoko Forest print from our Wagara collection to show you how. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down first. Place an item in the center. If this is a rectangular box, the long side is facing you. Take two corners on one side and make a double knot. Make sure you leave enough space, not too tight. Take one of the remaining corners and thread it through the space you just created. Pull it towards the center of the box. Take the last corner and double knot it. Adjust the bows and make the color pop.